Hive 2 ergo, and just got home. It's late in the day, but it's still 70 out. So what I'm hoping to do is be able to steal a frame with ooh, it's nice and hot up here with some fresh brood, and they're scarfing. And it's hot. That's awesome. It's really hot up there. Let me see what's going on inside. It's been a while since I popped it open. It's a little late in the day to be doing this too. But let's see what we can do here. I just know that these ones are doing a lot better than my little hive, which is at the bare minimum. Let's see what happens when I crack this. See if they get excited or not. Whoa. The hive's buzzing. This too. Let's see here. I think I put this on backwards. Let's look down in these frames here. Nothing. Actually, there's not as much going on up here as I thought there would be. See if I could pop a frame or two. We got it glued good. Actually, I don't see a whole lot of bees up here. I think they're down. They're still down in the bottom, maybe. Oh, this feels loaded with honey. Oh, I just scraped some honey. So there's my thermometer. Uh-oh. These are been dead for a minute. Put that down. Looking down here. There's a lot of resources. Oh, that propoli is pretty good here. Oh, cement. Whoa, this one's heavy. And I just leaked it, so they'll be eating that because it's a dripping. Looks like they're making honey there. Here's some bees. There's an empty frame. That's the one that I put in a long time ago that they haven't done anything with, it looks like. Trying to see what's going on there. What's going on right here? Is this a bee? What is this? Oh, it's part of a bee. Now this has got to go to an edge. Here I am doing this in the middle of winter. Not good. Oh, heavy. Lots of resources. They're still building honey. Let me look. Over here. Well, they're starting to do something on this better comb, it looks like. Oh, loaded with honey. And they're packing more in. Good deal. Oops. And let's look down below. I need to probably crack that top off and see. But they're starting to do stuff with this better comb. And there's, oh, I see what, yeah, they're putting honey in there. And there's my other sensor. So, let me put these frames back together. Yeah, just scratched a little bit of honey loose, so they're going to be chowing on that. It's all resources up here, it looks like. That's good. They have something to munch on. I'm going to move that one that was a nothing burger to the outside. And there's another hive thing. Let's see here. That one's going to go to the very outside. This one's going to go in. And that here. To the outside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Am I missing one? I think I just have 9 frames is what I'm doing, rolling here. Okay. Now it's getting a little bit cold. I got one lady a little bit miffed right there. She's giving me the what for. 2 of them are giving me the what for right now. Okay, let's look down below real quick. This thing's gonna, I should have put my my belt on. This is probably gonna be stuck too. Oh, there it goes. I'm trying to do this gently. I'm gonna stop for a sec. No, I'm not gonna stop. I declined that call. Okay. What is the, oh, little like bugs. What are these little bugs? Don't know. Okay, here's the bottom. Oh yeah, where I spilled a little honey, they're having a little fiesta right there. And this is a 10 frame on the bottom. It's nice and warm in here though. Insulation makes a giant difference. I definitely want to look and see if I have any brood. And they're getting pissed. I didn't bring smoke either. Let me see if I could pop one open. Oh, I got one on my face here. It's reading me the riot act. It's okay, babe. It's okay. Try to go slow and gentle. I got one that's just buzzing the crap out of me. Oh, look at that. There's a hive beetle. Right there. Well, dang. Something else I need a new pest. With a, that's one that looks young. Look in here. Oh, there's a bee that's mad. Looks like it's all honey. Yeah. Here we go towards the center here. Should have a queen here. It's not too heavy with, oh, look at that. Bee bread. I'm surprised they're still finding resources in the middle of winter. I was hoping to snag a frame with some brood on it for the other hive, but so far, oops, I just bumped it. There's some brood. There's a queen. We just had a bunch of new foragers. Actually out of both hives, but this one had a bunch. And there's some brood. And more brood. Nice. Maybe I can snag one of these. There's some brood. More brood. And I got angry bees. And there's some resources. And then there's the green comb, which also has honey on it. Let's see right here. I don't know if you can see that down there. All right, I'm gonna grab one of these frames, I think. And then I'll have to put a frame in. I'm gonna grab this one here. Dang. Maybe I'll do this tomorrow. Their bottom board is good. But I do want to give one of these, there's 3 good frames of brood, and I want to give one of them to my other hive. I can close this without scratching open the honey. Let's go scratch open some honey. Well, I got another one buzzing me. Yeah, time to get out. I don't know if it's going to be as cold or warm tomorrow, but we're going to have to revisit. I'm going to think I'm gonna leave these spacers out. Get these gals back on top here. They don't need any feed, although they are feeding. These gals don't need it. Some of those little bugs in there. But this hive is strong. Okay, oh, one more. Get out of there. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna pause and go look at the other hive real quick, I think. Alright, this is the little hive, which doesn't have many bees left in it from my last video, 2 videos. And there was like little larvae that I'm thinking are hive beetles. They come out white and then they start getting little bumps on them. I got a bunch of ants that got up in here. This right here, what is that? That looks like dried out larva, maybe. A little bit of liquid that they're chowing on. Yeah, I'm gonna, look at that. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get some insulation. I'm gonna turn this into a nucleus. I'm gonna drop it down to like between 5 and probably 6 frames, because there's only like 3 frames of brood, 2 frames of full honey, and then some other ones that have a little bit of honey. So it may go down to a 5 framer if it gets warm enough tomorrow. I've been gone, but I was able to look at them this morning from my remote location, and they were flying. Couldn't really see what, how much resources were coming in, but both hives were flying pretty good. It was like 71 for a minute. So I think I'm going to grab a frame from that other hive. Just get prepped for it. Probably bring my my little hive butler, which right now has got a bunch of honeycomb and frames in it that I'm letting them rob out front in the front yard. So either, I don't know, I may put them in a different box tomorrow. I did find larvae and a bunch of dead bees. We'll see what I can do. I have another wood hive with apimaye bottom. Ideally, if I set that up, I could go side by side and have the foam boards that I want to put in, some of that blue or pink foam on the sides, and make it down to a nucleus hive. It's too late in the day. I didn't get home. It was 4 o'clock when I got home. Been gone for a couple days, so let's see. So far, they're still kicking. I gotta see where the ants. Oh, I can see how the ants are getting in. You leave one little tiny strap touching below, and they use it as their ladder. So, all right, I think I've got somewhat of a plan. Maybe I'll run and get some of that what is it? The board with the exit stage left, maybe. What's that cartoon guy? Oh. Anyway, he's on it. Pink Panther? Yeah, I think that's it. I think it's a Pink Panther. Oh. Exit stage left. All right.